Hey guys, this is the Casablanca Concentra after the restoration that I did on it. I did mention in my last video that I was going to paint it, and I sure did. The brushed nickel finish that it used to be was pretty rusty, and I really couldn't get some of the rust out. So today I took the initiative and spray painted it matte black, and I think it came out absolutely awesome. So I had to film it. I didn't choose to put the light kit on it. That I'm probably not going to have on it anymore. I'll probably just get a switch cap and paint it black and stick it on this. But this fan looks really good. It almost gives me those vibes from the Hunter originals that used to be in Outbacks, with the oak blades and the black motors. It almost gives off that vibe, and I really like how this came out though. I'm really happy about it. Yeah, I still need to paint the hang true, but this is just a quick test of how it looks after the whole restoration. So I guess I'll try it out. Why not? Just low. The motor works absolutely great, actually. No bearing noise, not much hum. So it's a really good fan. I think it just looks great with those blades on it too. It's medium. Again, this is just a quick test. I know I already have a whole video of it, but kicks out a ton there. Those blades are actually not, one of them's not tightened up all the way. I think I missed it. That's why they're really out of clock there. But it really moves a ton there. Give it a close up of it. It came out very good. Just light on. I do need to touch up the Casablanca tag a little bit. It is a little bit screwed up, so I'll get a Sharpie and fix that. Yeah. It's a really good looking fan now. I'm really happy I did this because I was very leery about painting it. But because I really don't like to paint fans. But this one just looks great like this. So yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.